If you're planning a trip to the Iberostar Paraiso Maya and wondering what the dining is really like, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through all of the restaurants, buffets, a la cartes, snack bars, and even late night options. Plus, as a guest here, you also get access to the dining at Iberostar Del Mar, Beach, and Lindo, giving you even more variety. By the end of this video, you'll know which restaurants to prioritize, how dining works at Iberostar, and insider tips to make the most of your meals here. Hi, I'm Asai, a travel agent specializing in luxury and all-inclusive vacations. First, let's talk about just how much dining you'll have access to. At Iberostar Paraiso Maya itself, there are multiple buffets, snack spots, and a la carte restaurants. But one of the biggest perks of staying at the Maya is that your access goes beyond this resort. You can also dine at the neighboring Iberostar Del Mar, Beach, and Lindo, which opens up a huge variety of cuisine options. Think of it as a dining passport to 3 additional resorts without ever leaving the complex. Buffets are always a big part of an all-inclusive, and here you'll find them both at the Maya and Lindo. At the Maya specifically, there is a dedicated buffet only for Maya guests that is open for breakfast and lunch, and then converts into an a la carte restaurant for dinner. At the Lindo, you will find a larger buffet open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and there are daily theme nights in the buffet with different kinds of cuisines. Now, breakfasts at both buffets are a standout with made-to-order omelets, fresh fruit, and plenty of pastries. Lunch is all about variety. You'll see everything from Mexican favorites to international options. And dinner buffets, as I mentioned, rotate themes, which keeps things interesting if you're not doing a la cartes every night. Over at Del Mar and Beach, the buffets are a bit more casual and open air, but it's a great option if you're hanging out at that side of the property. Additionally, for lunch, there is a buffet at the a la carte restaurant Olivetti, open to both Maya and Lindo guests. That's a great option right near the pool and the beach. Now for the a la carte restaurants, and this is where Iberostar really shines. Located in the Maya are L'Etoile, which is the French gourmet restaurant, La Marina, which is sort of a seafood and steakhouse combo, La Geisha, which is your Japanese teppanyaki, and El Rancho, which is your American-style steakhouse. Think steaks and ribs, etc. Additionally, you have Olivetti, which is the spaghetti factory located about mid-resort near the main pool. Of these restaurants located at the Maya, 2 do require reservations that can be made either on the app or through the concierge, and that is going to be La Geisha, the teppanyaki, and El Rancho, the steakhouse. Over at the Lindo lobby, you have El Museo, which is your more fancy Italian, and Lemon and Spices, the Greek tavern. And located just across from Olivetti, right about mid-resort, across from the main pool, you have El Tapatio, which is your Mexican, and Under the Sea, an American seafood grill. Over at Del Mar and Beach, you'll find even more choices, so if you want to try different cuisines each night, you can. While I don't have footage of these restaurants, they include El Puerto, a smokehouse that does require a reservation. Hashiru, the Japanese teppanyaki, also requires a reservation. La Hacienda, the Mexican. El Colonial, the French. El Rodizio, the Brazilian, which does require a reservation. La Dorada, the Mediterranean. And Trattoria by El Ferro, the Italian restaurant, which also does require a reservation. Extra dining options. In addition to the buffets and all of the a la carte restaurants, there is also a Star Cafe, one located in the Maya lobby that does have an open and closing time, and there's a 24-hour option located near the Lindo lobby as well. In addition to this, and I don't have footage of it, but there are actually taco stands and a burger shop located in the shopping mall. There's also a beach grill snack shack where you can grab things like burgers, hot dogs, french fries, etc. And a few times a week, they actually do make poolside paella. The recipe does change a little bit every day, and I absolutely recommend not missing that at all. So what's the bottom line? On the pro side, the variety is incredible. Between Maya, Lindo, Del Mar, and Beach, you'll have no shortage of options. Presentation and service are solid, and there are plenty of choices for families and couples. On the con side, reservations for a la cartes can be tricky, so book as soon as you can. That's my full dining guide for the Iberostar Paraiso Maya and the surrounding resorts. For a bigger picture of the property, check out my full overview video. And if you want to see exactly what a week here feels like, watch my 6-night stay review. I'll link both right here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.